Hello class 9. Today's topic is the background of the Russian Revolution of 1917. The Russian Revolution had its three background. Those were political, social and economic. Today I am going to tell you about the political background. Rus Revolution was an age-old event of the world. This revolution not only changed the history of Russia but the history all over the world. Let's discuss the matter. Russia was under Tsarist autocracy in the beginning of the 19th century, while most of the other European countries were following the idea of democracy and nationalism. Tsars and his associates ran the government. They made all the appointments and took all the decisions. There was no existence of individual right. The common people could not enjoy any political right. Imprisonment, caning, exile were very common event. In this situation, before the Rus Revolution, the Rus Tsar Nicholas II was very weak. He was too weak to face the situation. He was too much dependent on his wife Tsarina Alexandra and an important monk named Rasputin from Georgia. Both of them influenced him greatly. In this situation, Rus scholars and Rus philosophers played an important role to fight for the demand of the public and to set up democracy in their country. Rus peasantry class and working class were also dissatisfied because the Tsar and his associate did not care them at all. They cut all the bonds to the commoners, and the poor people faced a tremendous suffering. Above all, the Russian defeat in the hand of Japanese soldiers in the year 1905 led the revolution. The topic is over. Thank you.